Euro clings to parity as markets watch for U.S. inflation data. Singapore. The euro hovered a whisker above parity to the greenback on Wednesday, with traders cautious of the unmarried foreign money being forced to stages unseen for decades if U.S. inflation information, due to be launched later in the global day, suggests a sky-high reading. The dollar become company in Asia alternate, and neither the New Zealand greenback or South Korea's gain drew lots support from the anticipated 50 basis factor will increase in hobby costs by using their primary banks. The euro languished at $1.0036. It is down nearly 12% this year and fell to a 20-year low on Tuesday as the war in Ukraine has caused an energy crisis that has harmed the continent's boom outlook. It dropped as low as $1.00005 at the maximum broadly used electronic broking services dealing platform and touched $1 on dealing overnight. Analysts say it may fall similarly if fast-rising U.S. purchaser prices keep traders making a bet on U.S. rate rises. Economists forecast headline U.S. inflation accelerated to 8.8% year-on-year in June, a 40-year high, which is probably to boost expectancies of interest rate hikes and assist the dollar. I suppose the U.S. greenback will preserve increasing if the U.S. CPI is more potent than predicted, stated Commonwealth Bank of Australia (OTC) CMWAY strategist Joe Capurso in Sydney. There's really a very good risk that the euro falls under parity tonight. The euro fell under parity with the Swiss franc final month and is flirting with a drop underneath its 200-day moving common in opposition to the pound. Weakness in the euro and yen has lifted the U.S. greenback index, which scaled a two-decade height of 108.560 this week and was soaring at 108.18 in Asia trade on Wednesday. The Japanese yen has taken a beating this 12 months because the Bank of Japan sticks with its ultra-easy economic coverage in contrast with tightening nearly anywhere else. It turned into underneath stress at 137.05 in step with greenback on Wednesday after hitting its lowest because 1998 on Monday at 137.75. The Australian dollar changed into constant at $0.6767, just above a two-year trough of $0.6712 made on Tuesday. AUD. Sterling has also slipped at the stronger dollar and analysts see it adrift in the wake of the resignation of British Prime Minister Boris Johnson final week. GBP. It last bought $1.19, with gross home product information due at 0600 GMT the following hurdle. Traders expect May introduced zero boom. 8 conservatives are vying to prevail Johnson. The aggregate of sluggish increase, debt and excessive inflation is probably to show very complex for the brand new Tory leadership, stated Rabobank senior strategist Jane Foley. Sterling may suffer a loss of fresh root till the brand new PM is in vicinity. In New Zealand and South Korea, the charge hikes got here in largely as predicted. The South Korean won changed into marginally more impregnable, whilst the New Zealand greenback dipped a fragment to $0.6131 barely above Monday's two-year low of $0.6098. There was no actual change in tone, mentioned Jason Wong, strategist at BNZ in Wellington, of the Reserve Bank of New Zealand decision, including that left US CPI likely to pressure the Kiwis next circulate. We're on the whim of the U.S. greenback. Equals 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 currency bid expenses at 05 519 GM T description RIC last US close PCT change YTD PCT high bid low bid previous change session Euro $1.0035 $1.0036 plus 0.00% 11.72% plus 1.0047 plus 1.0023 $136.9800 yen 136.8200 plus 0.12% plus 19.10% plus 137.2450 plus 136.9500 Euro 137 yen and 43 sen 137.37 plus 0.04% plus 5.46% plus 137.7400 plus 137.1300 Swiss 0.9821 0.9821 0.01% plus 7.66% plus 0.9829 plus 0.9814 Sterling $1.1903 1.1885 plus 0.13% 12.01% plus 1.1919 plus 1.1871 Canadian $1.3015 1.3021 0.03% plus 2.95% plus 1.3034 plus 1.3003 Aussie $0.6765 0.6757 plus 0.13% 6.93% plus 0.6779 plus 0.6742 NZ $0.6126 0.6127 plus 0.07% 10.42% plus 0.6139 plus 0.6106